How to delete chat history on WhatsApp from both sides. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete WhatsApp messages from both sides so the other person can't see them. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the WhatsApp app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, then what you can do is just go to the chat that contains the message that you want to delete. And here, once you're inside the chat, then what you can do is just tap and hold on the message that you want to delete. And after that, you can just tap on the trash icon, which can be seen in the top right side of the screen. And now here, from the pop-up menu, what you can do is just tap on delete for everyone option. And here, once you do that, then the message will be deleted from the both sides. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.